All right, today we're going to transfer this nuke box into a full-size deep frame box with a bottom board. I have my helper Jaden with me, and this is the walkaway split that didn't take, and we ended up installing a queen about 12 days ago. So we're going to walk you through how to transfer into a deep box. I'm just going to smoke the front 3 quick puffs. I should have done that a little earlier. I like to give them a minute or so to smell the smoke. So we have a nuke box that we did a split in, I think 3 weeks ago. It never had a queen bee in it. So the queen bee didn't make it back. So 10 days or 12 days ago, we installed a new queen, and they're ready for a bigger box already. They've been pretty busy. She's gotten them working pretty quick. So let's take a look inside and see what's going on in there. I haven't opened it up for 10 days or so, but I'm sure just by the activity in the front that there's bees in here. And there are. You want to take a look, Jaden? So there's, how many frames of bees do you think in there, Jaden? 2?
I think
about
3.
2, almost 3. Oh, look at this. I messed this up, Jaden. So this nuke box is a little bigger than I like, and I placed this frame too far away. Now look what they did.
Oh, they kind of put some stuff
together on it. Do you see it? So that's going to be a little messy when we take it apart.
And also, this was one of the wax ones.
It was, because we have a W.
So that's why they probably have lots of stuff
yeah,
on it.
You wax that for us. And here's another W.
Oh. It looks
so
like an M.
I would say 1, almost 2, no, 1.5. And here's another half. So 1.5 plus 1.5, or 1.5 plus 2 halves is 2, right?
Yeah.
2 frames of bees. That's enough to move them, especially seeing as how busy they are. They're building this one out already. They're building this one out. So let's give them a little bit of smoke. Not too much, just because it's a newer colony. Then we're going to take some frames out and move them into this box. So we always start with the end frame, right, Jaden?
Yeah.
Do you remember why?
Because
you might hurt the queen if you start with a middle board.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited to see if there's any capped brood in here.
What's capped brood?
Capped brood is the babies.
They have honey.
That
looks neat.
They do have honey. So they're already packing up some honey. They'll even do that without a queen, though. And there's some more honey they're working on.
Mm-hmm.
While we have it out, I'm going to scrape off some of this bottom. There we go. I'm not going to clean up too much because I don't want to bug them that much. So I'm going to put this one in.
It's a bee joke. Bug them.
I'm going to take this one out to give myself some room to work. And let's see. What do you think the next one's going to look like? Anything yet?
Honey.
Honey again?
Oh, no. I think it might have a bit of babies.
I think you're probably right in the honey. We're going to be looking for the queen today, too.
Yeah, that's honey.
That's nothing. That's just honey. That's just comb. Just comb. Some pollen in there. No queen in there yet. Do you see a queen?
Nope.
Me neither. I hope she stayed.
Queens are bigger.
Bigger and longer. I think she's working over here, Jaden. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's move this one.
Queens lay 200,000 bees until they die.
200,000?
Yeah.
That sounds about right. That's a lot of babies.
I learned it in a bee book.
Did you?
Yeah.
Nice. There's the queen thing. Ooh, look at that, Jaden.
What?
Look, can you see that with the camera? You know what that is, right?
Babies?
Brood, yep. Good job, girl. Do you see her, though? I don't see her. I don't see her yet. Look at that other frame, though. It's packed with bees. There's a queen cell, but it's been chewed apart. So I think we're good, Jaden. I think we have a queen in there.
Out?
We should. I'll do that. I'm trying to hold it, and oh, they got it glued in pretty good. Actually, that was me. I think I shoved it in there between the brood. You always do it between brood. That way she sticks around. I don't see her, though.
Ha, another bee joke. Stick around with the honey.
Uh-huh. Wonder if she's under that pile. I don't want to bug them too much. We'll just keep looking. We know she's in there, and we know she stayed. Why do we know that?
Because they are making babies, and if they don't make babies, then there would be no queen.
Yep.
And there would be no bees.
Exactly. I bet you she's on this one.
Maybe.
This is the one I kind of messed up, so I got to be super careful because the brood's sticking, or the comb is sticking out too much. Ooh, look at all that comb, or all that brood. See the one sticking out further than the other babies?
What?
Do you see some that stick out further?
Yeah.
That is the males. That's the drones, because they're a little bit bigger than the girls. I don't see her. I don't see her. But I don't see any queen cells either. You see drone. Do you see her?
Mm-mm. Drones are the girls, right?
Drones are the boys.
Oh, the boys.
They're the lazy ones that don't really do much. And they get kicked out in the wintertime when there's not too much food. I'm being super careful with that, Jaden, because I didn't see the queen.
But
I wish we did. But she could be on, exactly, she could be on that. And we don't want to hurt her.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's the one. Remember I was saying that I put them a little far apart?
Yeah.
They'll try to fill it in with comb.
Honeycomb.
Exactly. And when they fill it in, they make a mess. There's a lot of bees on there, though. No, it's still pretty light. They haven't filled it in. They ate a lot, though, because one of those I took from this hive next to you, and it was all honey. So they must have just eaten it all, trying to stay alive until the queen got going. I don't see her anywhere, Jaden. But she's in there. I am not the best at finding queens, though. I think you found just as many as I've found. I'm looking for a big, long one.
I see tiny ones.
She's not marked.
What about big? That big one?
Nope. That's a drone. That big one's a drone.
No.
The queen will be a lot longer than the others. I'm going to try to take this comb off just to clean up. I'm sorry, girls. All your hard work. All because I messed up. So look at that, Jenna. They're not happy with me. But it'll be a cleaner hive, and the queen will be able to build more in it.
We're really bugging them.
We are.
I am cracking at the bee jokes.
Yee. Let's move that over a little. I'm going to take this one out for a minute and put this one in. If they had more brood, more babies, Jaden, I would take one of these and move it. Then I'd put an empty one in between, and then they'd want to build out the empty one more. Okay, we're going to put a couple frames in. They're old frames, but they do have wax on them. We're going to do a better job separating these out. Get them a little closer together than I did the first time. Not too close, though. What do you think? How does that look?
Good.
I think so, too. All right. Now, all the poor bees are coming home and saying, "Where's my home?" Because the door is in the wrong spot. So we're going to put this over here on top of there. We're going to move everyone over
Is that heavy?
so they can find the door. Altogether, it's kind of heavy. I'd say it's probably about 30 pounds.
30 pounds?
Maybe 20 pounds. But it's kind of awkward, too. So now they know where the door is. Bees are super smart, but when it comes to finding the front door, they're kind of dumb. All right, we'll take some of the foragers that got lost, shake them back in. They're all gone. Most of them are gone.
Then should we put that?
We'll put it over here with the other boxes. They'll find their way home. They'll leave, and then they'll come back around.
These are the things we catch bees in.
So take a look at this, Jaden. What do you think? Think they're going to live there?
Yeah.
All right. I think they'll like it too. Now, we have to find a top board. And the only one we have out here is old and nasty, I think.
What about that one?
That's the cover. I'm talking about top board. We'll put a top board on this. Remember, without the top board, they're able to glue down the cover. Boy, that's a nasty old piece of wood. Let's get a new one this week, okay?
Okay. Why don't we just take one from one of these big hives, because they always glue it down and they don't really need it.
They need it. They glue it down more, because then they glue the top cover down.
Oh, yeah.
Nice new cover.
Wait, it kind of looks like a stocking.
It does look like a stocking, or a J for Jaden. We'll put the cover on. Let's go walk around front and take a look at them.
Let's make the top solar panels.
See them? Think they're finding their way home, wondering why their door is a lot bigger?
Mm-hmm.